Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Friends, we are getting hundreds of messages in WhatsApp and many messages in Telegram also telling that, Madam, please make a video on how to join for your paid course. So because so many aspirants are requesting, we are making this video. We actually did not want to make this video because we want aspirants to read what we are telling. See, every aspirant who is asking for paid course, we will send this picture poster made of the details of the course. We will also give this list where the aspirant should read everything and click the link. But aspirants don't want to do that. Aspirants think that just if I give some money, I will get the course, and if I get the course, I will qualify in Karnataka TET. That is not so simple, friends. You should understand that. Why we are giving you so much material to read before paying the fee means we want you to get to know everything about our course. We want you to know about the syllabus in your course. We want you to know what are the benefits you are getting from our course. That's the reason why we have not written fees anywhere here. We write fees inside the PDF file, which you will get only if you click the link of the Google Drive. In that link, you will not find only fees. You will find QR code also, where you can scan the QR code and you can pay the fee. Then you have to send the fee screenshot to our email ID. Our email ID is atahartethtstrcourses@gmail.com. And you will also get the list of classes we will be providing in this course in that PDF file. Our motto behind writing those things in the PDF file is just not to say you what the fee is. Our motto is actually to make you all know about the list of classes in the course. If you don't take so much initiative also, how will you qualify TET? That is the main intention behind it. We don't want to put you in trouble by giving you so much of text. The main thing is that we want you to put little effort in taking the course. It is very easy paying some money and taking the course, but if you put the effort in understanding the course, then only it will help you. Please try to understand. Aspirants are not even reading the text in the poster also. Here we have given 40 basic classes, then we have revision classes based on previous year question papers, we have pedagogy classes, and we have planned for intensive preparation classes which have started from yesterday, that is 22nd October, and we are giving so much study material also. So aspirants don't want to know all this, just they want to know what is the fees, they want to pay, and then again they are asking, Madam, where is the class? Madam, how will I get the class? Madam, is it a online class? Is it a offline class? Madam, is it a live class or it is a recorded class? Please read everything, you will know everything. But we believe that some aspirants are not very good in English. That's why we have made things very simple. Click the link, you will understand everything. Okay. Anyway, we are giving you WhatsApp message number also 911-055-8369. In case anyone is having any problem in understanding our course, you can write in WhatsApp message. Phone calls are not allowed. You can write in Telegram group also. You will get the link below this video. And you can also write to us in mail also, atahartethtstrcourses@gmail.com. Only thing you have to do now to join our course is first read the details of the course. That is the very first step. Then you have to make the payment by scanning the QR code from the link of that course. I will give you the link also here below this video in the description. Then you have to take the screenshot of the payment. Then you have to send that screenshot along with your name and course name to email address atahartethtstrcourses@gmail.com, and that will be your registered email ID. Later we cannot change your email ID. You can watch our classes and you can access our material only with the registered email ID. Okay, now please help me by sharing this video as much as possible along with your friends who are interested to join our course, because we cannot answer so many messages in WhatsApp. We are very busy making the intensive preparation classes. As we all know, we have very less time for TET now. We have only 45 days. This time it has become very tough because of the time span, which is very less. On 7th December we have the exam. We are really working hard to help you all. We need your cooperation and your support and your effort also, so that we together can make you all qualify TET this time. We really hope that you understand what we are trying to tell. And if you have any problem, feel free to write, but don't write anything and everything. Write only genuine doubts. Okay? Thank you. All the best.